Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Camera, say hi to my brother. Yan po ang aking design for this new year. You can see I made the mango graham, the leche flan, the puto bumbong for my little brother. Yes, kulang pa po yan. And this cake from Sweet Creation. Ayan, parang pa-practice po siya. May concert po siya later. And then, look at this baby. Coco, say hi to the camera! What do you mean? But look, it's 2029! Oh my goodness!
Kasi 2029, I'm gonna be world star.
And our theme today, this year, is pajama party. Mapantug, any color. So here's our party time. So I decorated that too. Look at that, guys. We have games. Auction games and bingo game. Happy New Year and our second Christmas tree. So quiet, so flirting. Why is blurry? And then here is our drinks outside because it's cold. Ooh, bingo. And the auction game, I have a Monopoly monies, markers, and 50, 60! Dito po yung mga essential. Aking mga papremyo sa kanya. It's so funny. Meron po tayong Lego. And we have banana. Onion, banana. And yes. I miss vlogging. Hi everyone. Since the 2026 is coming, I'll start my vlog again. So please subscribe to my channel. We're just waiting for our relatives. They're always up a bebe. They're always like Filipino time. It's already almost 8 or it's 8:10 already. So wait, begin. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year!
Ate,
Happy New Year!
ayusin mo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! New me!
New Year!
Mami, ikaw naman.
Happy New Year!
What's your wish?
God will bless all of us more blessings
Okay, what else?
and all the best, all the people in the Philippines, our mommy, our mom, our siblings.
Marvin, say Happy New Year. Coco, say Happy New Year. Papa, Papa. Good girl. Smile, smile. Oh, smile ko. Oh, Good girl. Adik na adik sa toy. Oh. Ang kapatid mo. I think it's in the middle, brother. That's why there's a space over there.
Ang kanin niya, raise ayos mo.
No! Just put it there.
Tanggalin din.
Whatever.
Ang rice.
Look at your kapatid. It's over here. Say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone! Ay, di pa. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year, everyone! I hope you have a wonderful new year and start with positive and enjoy the rest of the year. Bro, stop focusing my face.
New Year, same pajamas! Uy. Ito, si Jason Todd.
This is my brother, little brother. Tingnan mo yung ginawa niya. Yum, 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 yum.
For ID purpose only.
Correct.
He's not eating it.
Are you a vlogger, brother? Ito. Dali, sundan mo ako. So please, this is our Christmas tree 2026, as you can see. And then, come here. Finish your food!
Finish your food. Coco, eat.
So here our front entrance. So I put like a little welcome balloons. Okay, come here in our entertainment area.
Wow.
How about here?
3 hours.
I'm gonna be hosting today. So oh, let's go back to the kitchen, to the dining room. Finish your food. Finish. Here. Welcome to my mommy. Welcome. Here's my mother.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Why are you laughing? Bastos kulangot mo. Uy, this is my brother, a vlogger. Ay, ayan na! Si Senyoro! Wow!
Partner sila. Ay, ng pants bago ng ano. Top.
Pero kayo. Ikaw din eh, oh. Kulay blue. Wow! Wow! Happy New
Happy New Year to everyone!
Takbo na sa president. Koko, finish your food
Mamaya.
Look at that, 2026. Mommy, are you happy with my design?
Very nice, very amazing. You
Amazing.
did a very nice decoration. Looks
Every
like-
year.
Yes, always. You always give us fabulous, amazingly games and decorations and everything in the house.
Happy New Year!
Say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Ang ganda ng decoration.
Happy New Year! Too close, bro. Come here, Nishka! Nishku!
Lola.
Nishku! Come here, Nishku!
May Lola na nga siya, ha?
Come here,
Oo,
Nishku!
tingnan mo. Halata naman.
Magka-age sila ni Coco.
Nishka! Oh, cutie, like.
5 years old.
Come here! Hey!
Ay. Ay.
And a Merry Christmas. 6, 7, and a Merry Christmas.
Hinahanap mo pa yun.
Sorry, kasi
Pang Gen A lang yun. Hindi ka naman Gen A.
Ay, abot pa ako.
Pasa mo, Lester, pasa mo kaya.
Hindi ka nagulat. Nakakatakot ba yung mukha ko? Nakakatakot ba yung mukha ko?
Sheesh, pwede na maging vlogger.
Gusto mo ikaw din ang buhati?
Uy, nindit si Coco!
Oo nga.
Coco!
Jugo, jugo, jugo! Ay! No!
Coco!
Ipopost yan. Thank you for holding my camera. Back to the vlogger. Finally, you're here.
Oh yes, hello.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy 2026! Goodbye 2025!
Halika na. Gutom na si Lester.
Tita Ron, Happy New Year po.
Masasabi niyo, Chris?
Okay,
Gutom na si Marjo,
Happy
sabi ni
New Year.
Marjo, sabi ni Mami, gutom na si Lester.
Oh, you miss Chris, Mom. You miss Chris, Mama?
Merry Christmas.
Wow! Happy. Macho.
Ngiti si Coco.
Happy siya eh.
Happy siya, oh.
Year to us! Happy New Year to us! Does it taste good as it looks?
Dahil late ka, mag-Happy New Year ka.
Happy New Year!
Ingay mo. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Diyos ko Lord, itong dalawa. Late na nga, kumain
Happy
na
New Year!
Ngayon lang po siya nagbibigay ng gift dahil late po yung gift niya. Ano gift?
Kakaaduwa ito.
My God.
Baka mukha ni Rachel na mamaibigay mo.
Very kasi.
Mukha mo.
Talaga nung 17 years old pa ako niyan, no? Talagang yung nakakaaduwa ka.
Talagang paupo ka? Pagsalo ka lang? Pagsalo ka lang?
Meron din pa regalo sa kanya ganyan eh.
Thank you, ma'am. Love you.
To my knee.
Alam nyo, tingin mo kasi akala ko malaki.
Gaano kalaki to? Pangko ko to!
Diba? Pero may mes, pero at least may pangalan.
Bakit parang lalamigin pa rin siya?
Napalagyan na personalize.
Pang saan?
Saan?
Gamitin mo na lang yung ano, pang panyo. Parang pwedeng tawil. Panyo.
Sa tawel sa ulo.
It's actually towel.
Sa hair pala.
Sa car ba yan? Hindi ko parang lang yung ganil eh. O kaya sa car.
Hindi nalabhan na nag-drink.
Uy, pag nagka-baby daw kayo,
Parang baby nga.
Sino may baby si dati na patingin?
naghahanap
Talagang
naman
yun
si
ako
Coco.
binulong.
Nag-aantay na naman siya.
Sige, buwan siya kasi.
Saan mo na naman kinuha tong ano ko mo?
Saan mo naman pinagkakataon? Marjo, ano yan?
Medyas, mukha ko. Susuotin ko sarili ko.
Sorry, hindi. Yung isa kay ano, tigisa kayo. Kasi hindi ko na lang
Si Kuya Chris yung isa.
Oo, ano.
Oh, gusto ko.
Pinaprint, pinaano mo pa yan?
Ah, mukha ko din.
Sana ano na lang.
Kay Lester.
Nag-effort lang.
Thank you, Tita, for this.
Yan yung
This
gift
customized.
Yeah.
Pati siya yung medyo nag-prepare, pinaghandaan ko.
Wow.
Hindi yung para ba?
Kaya pala tagal.
Sino yung napaka-plastic?
Mukha ko.
Oh my God!
Dami ko yung mga medyas na.
Nakalimang puwet si Tita Bea.
Susot mo yan doon sa ilabas mo. Lumabas ka lang siya.
Bukas po sa church.
Okay, so I give you $200 kay Connie. And meron din kayong the board. Auction game. Ang tawag dito auction game. So meron ako mga item here. I think 16, 17 item. Tapos, ay kasi akala ko nga marami tayo. Kaya 200 binigay ko. And then, bidding tayo. Start ng bidding is $20. Bidding.
Tawa.
So,
Pwede ka palang tumaas.
yes. So, magbibigay ako ng clue dun sa item. And then, start the bidding.
Hindi namin
Ano po yung minimum? Wala. Doesn't matter.
Minimum $20.
Basta, maging smart kayo kasi $200 naman. First item! Daddy!
Konti lang. Sulat namin
Si
yung...
Daddy!
Ardo, sulat namin yung price.
Itong first item, ito yung clue. Sumisip-sip ng gulo ng pag-ibig.
na pala.
Ay, clue. Ito yung clue ng item, ha?
Sip-sip daw, maron! Ano po?
Sumisip-sip ng gulo ng tahimik. That's the clue. So, start the bidding, $10. Sumisip-sip ng gulo ng tahimik. Okay, $25. Sino pa tataas na $25?
Dadalawin si Papa sumisip-sip.
$25. 15. Okay, $25. Oh, $31. Ate Glass, you got it. Sold.
Magbabayad siya sa'yo.
Sold to you, sumisip-sip ng gulo ng tahimik.
I need vacuum. So I'm...
And your change,
Vacuum eh, hindi naman kasya dyan yung maliit.
Ay, Kwan, dito yung pang-kamay, yung
Balon yan.
pang-computer lang.
Picture ng vacuum.
sumisip-sip ng gulo ng tahimik.
Paano niya lang?
Okay, so $31 na. Okay. Next item. Maliit na isda. Malakas ang impact. Maliit na isda. Malakas ang impact.
Baka maaari.
Going once, going twice. Wait. Ano yan? Di ko po lang.
26.
26! Ay, 26. Okay. Give you a few minutes. 26. Mami, kayo, $26. Sino pa patol?
Baka dinis siya.
Ay, $27. Ay, may tumaas doon. $27. Ay, 28. May lumalaban. Ay, ma'am, $30. Si Ate Marian.
Okay, nalaban si
Makikipaglaban. Once, going twice. Okay, Tito Rod. Okay, give me your
Ako kakaganyan mo, ako naubusan eh.
maliit na isda. Malakas ang impact. Tito Rod. Pagbaon.
Ay, in fairness, malaki. Malaki lang.
$21. Sino ba tataas? Ay,
protein yan, protein.
going once, going twice. Okay, so,
Magastos ka, ha?
gastos ka. Buspero mo. Hindi ko mapain, pero nakakakumpleto ng pagkain. Please.
Wow,
Ay, pang baby yan. Kut ba?
Thank you!
Tama. Kulang na ako sa toyo. Mamaya pa ako totoyo. Hindi pa ako kasi. Huwag niyo itatapon yung mga wires sa ano ha.
Dapat may kata tayo.
May new tradition.
Huwag niyo itatapon yung wires sa ano. Hawakan niyo. Huwag niyo itatapon ng wires sa...
Ay, go! Hurry! Happy New Year, everybody! Good girl.
Thank you, Nak!
$1 per goal.
Sa letrang B, bingo! Ay, wala ka pala.
So we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 20. Total tayo, 4 corners.
Oh, yun. Oh, meron naman pala.
The first 4 corners. Okay, so B, we have B6, B10, B12.
65!
Oh, 67! 6, 7!
Wala.
Tomorrow!
Dos.
It's 1 na yun.
Oh.
Bingo!
Bingo!
Bingo! Ay! Wow! Patingin,
Tama.
Pacheck. Okay, sa B. B10, perfecto. B2, perfecto.
Wow.
69, perfecto. 64, perfecto. $30.
Go! Happy New Year! Letrang B!
Ulit.
Letrang H!
New Year!
O, isa-isahin natin yung letter. O.
Happy New Year. Hopefully there's a lot of lessons. Ay! Before any party. Just vlogging.